है है है
तो घट्टे बनाया।
Run.
Let's see how this disaster started. Today we're making bubble tea with agar-agar because why not ruin a classic? Step 1. Cook agar-agar in boiling water. I'm adding 2 boxes of agar-agar. And keep stirring because this thing dissolves slower than my willpower on mornings. But yes, eventually it melts. Step 2. Let's prepare the colorful boba. For the green one, let's whisk that matcha like we're beating life problems. Take a little agar-agar mix, pour the matcha in. Mix, and hope it doesn't turn into a science experiment. Next, yellow. Add saffron water. Mix until it dissolves properly. Mine looked like a sunset, a very confused sunset. And now the drama queen, beetroot juice. This one gives the most beautiful red color. Mix until it dissolves. Step 3. Let's prepare the milk tea. Add 2 cups of milk. Add 1 cup of condensed milk and add infused tea of your choice for that rich flavor. Mix. Step 4. Cut all your flavored agar-agar into small pieces. Cut like your ex who cut you off. But look how cute they look. So colorful. So pretty. So, not round at all. But who cares? They're my bubble tea boba. Step 5. Let's assemble the mess. I mean the bubble tea. Take your glasses and add 2 spoons of each flavor boba. Green, yellow, red. It already looks like holy exploded inside a cup. Step 6. Where disaster begin pouring the milk tea and oops. Spilled everywhere. But anyway, fill the other glasses carefully. Fill. Fill. Stir, and pray it's better than it looks. And now, it's time to taste the disaster we created.
A few moments later.
Bubble tea, I do bubble tea. 3, 2, 1.
Nope.
You're weak.
Which one you like the most or which one you hate the most?
I hate most. I hate all of them. I like the tea but तो घट्टे बनाया। आइस तो डाल देते हैं।